Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimraj.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Fiverr profile in 2025. You are watching this video, that's mean you already got the notification from Fiverr. That's in you have to verify and you have to explore the global client. So if you didn't verify yet, then you have to do as soon as possible. Without that, your profile will go down soon. This is very easy process. Let's see how you can do that. First of all, you can check this article because here is all the information why you need to verify and how you can verify. All the information you will see in this page, and for your help I will keep this article link in my video description. Okay, so first of all, of course, you have to log in your account and then you will see that option. Okay, let's go your account and go to settings. So this is the setting page are already open, but I again reloaded, and then you can find a option called personal and business information. Okay, when this page will load, you will see a option called identity verification, and see, fill out your personal and business information to verify your identity. Just click on verify, and here you can see why the verification is important. By verifying your identity, you will have access to global client across Fiverr marketplace. So that's mean if you don't verify your profile, this profile will not reach to global client. Okay, so that's why it's important. So then this is the process. Just hit the continue, and here you can see you have to fulfill your name. Okay, first name, middle name if it's optional, last name, your name is English, of course enter your name in English, and email address and phone number and address. When you have done, then you need to click on continue, and here you can see this is the three option to provide the information, and we record photo of the government ID to verify. So that's why we are going to use national ID. In this page, you have to upload your front and back side of your NID. For my case, I will use my laptop webcam. If you are using phone, that will be great. And if your webcam is not good, then you can pick the option which is another device. Let's click on the camera icon and give permission of your webcam. I am picking allow, and then my webcam will open. So this is me, and I need to put my NID on in front of camera. Let's do that. When the front page is done, it's time to show the back page. So when you submit the both side, it will take some time to process your NID. Within few seconds, they will show you the another option to give a selfie. For case, when you click on get started, here you can see my webcam is open, and I just need to close my face on the camera, and within few seconds it will give me the instruction what I have to do. Here you can see I just have to take a photo, and you of course you have to be closer, and your face will proper on your webcam, and you have to move your head to right and then left. Then it will take a photo and starting the verification process, and it will not take longer time. Trust me guys, within few seconds it will, yes, congrats. So that's mean you are done. So when you click done, you will see this new, you are all set. So that's mean just click go to back to gig, and here is this my gig view. Okay, So now I just want to go to setting and see what is now showing on the settings section. So let's go to setting again and see what the view on there. So click on personal and business info, and then here you can see it's yes, you are all set now. So that's mean you are good to go. Your profile will reach now to for the all global client. So that's mean probably you will get more order from your Fiverr gig. So that's all. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful for you, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.